We're going to start by adding 1 cup of water to our Instant Pot. Now the Instant Pot comes with a rack, but it is woefully inadequate really to do the job. You can buy an egg stacker like this to stack the eggs on top, but we found the best thing to use is this combination steamer basket, because you can use it to do many other things like pressure cooker salmon or hamburgers. And if you haven't checked out those recipes, you should check them out. So we'll go ahead and put this in. Now you can go ahead and add some eggs. You can put in as many as you like, just don't stack them on top of each other. So we're going to close the lid. Make sure that the valve is set to closed. We're going to select manual on the control, and we're going to roll it back to 10 minutes. And that's going to put 10 minutes of high pressure to make delicious Instant Pot hard-boiled eggs. Now, just because we put 10 minutes on the Instant Pot timer does not mean it's going to take 10 minutes of clock time to cook our Instant Pot eggs. And that's because the timer on the Instant Pot doesn't start to count down until it comes up the temperature. You heard that click? It just came up the temperature. Anyhow, one thing that you can do to speed the process up is to put the Instant Pot inner pot in your sink and heat it up with hot water. And while you're doing that, take your 1 cup of water, put it in your microwave and bring it to a boil. And this way, when you dump out the water from your sink, put it inside, pour the water in, your Instant Pot will come up to temperature quicker. And by the way, if you use less time to cook your eggs in your Instant Pot, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section about how they turn out. It looks like the time is up on the control, and I'm using my coffee cup that my grandsons got me for Christmas. Thanks, guys. Anyhow, when the time is up on the control, you want to hit off on the control or unplug your Instant Pot. And the next thing you want to do is do a manual pressure release. Now, it's perfectly okay to put a rag on top, especially if you're doing pasta or something like that, because it tends to foam. But we're doing it because we have an expensive video camera up above and we don't feel like soaking it. So, once the pressure is completely released, you can unlock the lid, and then we're going to put the eggs in ice. Check this out.